Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to go through how to create custom tooling and save it into your tool library. So I know many people often have custom tooling that they use. I've just got one example here on the screen. I'm going to show you how to get this form tool or custom tool saved into your tool library. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want a 3D model of your tool first. So whether you contact your tooling supplier or you get it off the website, you need a 3D tool to add it into the tool library. So I've got a custom tool up here, just a random example. What I want to do is open it up in SolidWorks. I want to come over here on the tree and I want the sketch. So if I just copy that, so Control C, copy that, that'll be saved at the minute. So I can copy that into another one. So what you want to do from here is go to Edit Tool Library, go down to your machine tool setup. I want to go into my Save Tool table where all my tools are. And I want to create a new tool. So if you go over to the left here, I've already got a custom category called Cavity Form Tools because I use a lot of them. So if I just double click that, see it's made me a tool here. So then from here, what I want to do is click on where it says Shape Type. You want to click on the drop down menu, go down to Sketch 2D, and then the bottom right corner here, this button here, there's Import. So if I click on Import, okay, so that will bring up another window within SolidWorks. As you can see, this is a previous tool that I've actually set up. So what I'm going to do is actually delete that one first. So if I go to the CAM tree, sketch on here, highlight that, let's delete that. Yes, there we go. Okay. So as you can see, there's still this sketch one on here. I always leave this on here. It doesn't affect anything I do. It's just like a reference. If anyone new jumps on this and tries to create a tool, it's just a reference on how to set it up basically. Right. Okay. So what I want to do from here is Control V. So I want to paste that tool that I copied. So that's the 2D drawing of the 3D tool I had. And as you can see, it's the wrong way round, it's the wrong rotation. So what I've got to do is just manually maneuver that round. Basically, you want it set up the way this one is set up down here. Right, so if I go into Sketch, if I edit this sketch, and what I find you have to do is just get rid of all these dimensions, get rid of all this clutter because you don't need it. So if I just highlight all of them, get rid of all of these, don't need any of these dimensions. So let's just delete all of these. Select them all at the same time, it'll be easier. Okay, so let's delete them. And then there, so let's delete all of these. Okay, delete them. And then I find you can change, you'll have to delete them because when I do come to move it, not all the time, but it does sometimes affect the drawing, so it'll make it a bit skew with and it won't look like a cavity tool. So let's delete all of them. Okay, right, so we've got a clean slate here. So we've got a 2D drawing here. So what I want to do from here is I want to come up to, if you're on the Sketch tab, I want to go to Move Entities. So if I select Move Entities, and then I need to highlight the whole 2D shape, and then I want to pick from/2. So if I click on that and then I'll click on my start point, so I can click on this point here, bring it up to my coordinate system 1. So that's the end of the tool. Okay, and then that one's done. Then what I want to do is mirror this then. So if I highlight it all, I don't want to make a copy, so I'll untick that and then mirror about. I want to mirror about this line here. You can see it gives you a little preview there. So then I'll green tick that, it's all mirrored. So then all I've got to do to create the tool to make it like this one is rotate it. So if you come to the top again, click on the down arrow on move entities, you've got rotate entities. Same again, highlight all the 2D lines. Center of rotation, I want to be on the bottom of the tool there, and degrees, minus 90 degrees. So, there we go. That's rotated 90 degrees, and as you can see, it's similar. It's the same position as the example one there. So that's what you want to be, and you always want to be on this coordinate system as well. Okay, so it's green tick that. Okay, and then I want to come out and exit the sketch because I don't need to edit it anymore. Okay, so then excuse me. What I want to do then is come into define chain here, click on that, and then basically I'm on curve. So basically I just want to work my way around, selecting all of the 2D lines, just work my way around, select that one and this one, select all of these, go, select that one, and then the last one here. Okay, and there you can see it. Once they're all connected, the 2D lines will become green. So that means they're all connected. And then all you've got to do then is click on finish. Okay, so that will bring you back into your tool table. And as you can see here, I've got a 2D sketch of the form tool that I've just created. And as you can see down here, it's given it all the shapes, all the diameters and the height and everything. It's been taken from the 3D sketch. Okay, so then what you want to do then is obviously here you can set, like a normal tool, you'd be able to set all your feeds and speeds, whether it's milling, turning, you can set your work material, all of that exactly the same as you would creating a normal tool. Description, I'll just click this example 1 for now. I want the caps lock on. Example 1. Okay, so then that will be saved. The description is example 1, and then it'll be exactly the same as a normal tool. So if I wanted to bring a tool holder in, I'll go to my holders. It's on a BT40, so I'll double click that. I'll add that into the tool, and then I think this tool's actually on a Morse taper. So if I click on a MT3 as well, that should build the whole tool. So if I just click on show hide tool, there we go. So we've got that there. Obviously, we need to play around a bit with the length outside the holder. So if I pick that up, 150, too much, 175. Yeah, okay. And there we go. There's your original tool. I'll just make that a bit bigger so you can see. So there's your tool. You've got your 3D tool within your tool library, so you shouldn't have any issues drilling those form cavities with your custom tooling. And you could do that with any form tooling as long as you've got a 3D model. So then that is on there. So what I've got to do now is click on save. That saves it to your tool library. So that'll always be in your tool library now. So you can use it whenever you want, whenever you've got any cavity tools or anything, or any custom tools. It's the same process. Bring the 3D model in. You want to copy the 2D model, paste it into a new tool as a 2D sketch, and then just follow the same instructions, and it'll come up as a 3D tool in tool library. Okay, right. I think that covers everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and a comment. If you've got any questions about any custom on how to create any custom tooling, or if you're struggling with anything, please leave a comment underneath the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you and help you if I can. Thank you.